most stunning view seen from any train anywhere in the world, in my opinion, and I've been on a lot of trains. We are going to be looking out over 1/10 of the state of Colorado. We will be able to see the entire Denver metro area from Cheyenne, Wyoming, through Greeley, Fort Morgan, down through Denver International Airport, all of the city of Denver, all the way to Parker. We will be looking down upon the land that more than 3 million people call home. Look left now. Thank you.
Not yet, I guess. Not now.
Maybe where he's at.
Not now, but now.
Not now, just right now.
It's beautiful.